This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a farmer ID on your mobile device. First, gather all required documents like proof of identity and land ownership. Next, we will navigate the application portal, ensuring every detail is accurately entered. Finally, I will share essential tips to help you successfully submit your application and receive your farmer ID without any hassle. This guide aims to make the process straightforward and efficient for everyone. Before starting, make sure your mobile device has a strong and reliable internet connection. You will need digital copies of key documents, such as your national identity card and proof of residence. Also, have your land ownership papers scanned and ready to upload. It is crucial that your registered mobile number is active, as it will be used for one-time password verification during the application process. Begin by downloading the official Farmer ID application from your mobile's App Store. Once installed, register a new account using your active mobile number and complete the one-time password verification. Proceed to fill in all personal and agricultural details precisely. Upload the necessary digital documents, ensuring they meet the specified format and size requirements. Take a moment to review all entered information before making your final submission. To avoid common issues, always double-check that all uploaded documents are clear, legible, and correctly oriented. Maintain a stable internet connection to prevent interruptions during submission. If you face any persistent technical difficulties, do not hesitate to contact the application's support team for assistance. Finally, remember to save your application reference number. It is vital for tracking your application status and any future inquiries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.